cutaway. He found the gap, which was the most important thing. It was a length delivery.
Yeah, more width available, and the bounce was good. It's just that the consistency from the bowlers hasn't been there. You're getting...
Again, full toss, dispatched.
He didn't hit it hard. It was a full toss, got in the meat of the bat. The placement was the key.
Fine edge, soft hands, kept it down.
Just closing the face, no, or just opening the face. He really didn't intend to play it in that direction. Again, that hesitant push.
Short and pulled away. This is really good batting because and it was hammered onside.
Yeah, a bit erratic with his lengths at the moment, Ismail. He's trying a little too much. You just get that feeling. He's got a very strong offside field. More runs driven through cover, and the chase has been given up. So that's a 50 for the batting side.
After bowling a good length delivery, he goes full and allows for that free scoring shot. Just had to time it well, and that he did. Raised away for 4. This partnership looking ominous now. And again, Captain Saad on fire.
Not really sure with the plan here. Shamil Hussain, the captain of Sharks. I mean, too full again. Scott Moorman, the...
And again, another half volley. Dear, oh dear, this has been an expensive over.
What a good shot. Again, off the back foot.
Yeah, you're right. This one, they attempted googly that just sits into the surface. And watch, he stays tall and hits it on top of the bounce. And once it gets past extra cover, who is a little bit square, I think he needs to be straighter than that.
Full toss down the leg side and dispatched. Gets the treatment, a real gift from Benkenstein, and allows the captain to get to his landmark 50, first 50. This could easily be a 200 score set, batting first by the Hunters. 2 is the call, but they settle for 1. 12 gone, 121 without loss. Remember, against the Royals, they were 52 for 1 after 6, and then at the end of 15, they were 90 for 7. So 6 wickets lost in that middle phase when they batted first. One of the important sponsors. That's wayward. A real gift, but he doesn't get it over the boundary line. Finds the fielder. He'll be so disappointed. Saad Baig.
Above the waist. All right. Fair delivery, no problems there.
Surely not fast, you know.
No, not fast. And because of that, the original decision of out stands. It has been a fantastic knock. He'll probably be more disappointed than anything because he could have put that over the boundary for 6, Saad Baig, but he's batted extremely well. Set a platform for his team. He goes for 64. 132 for 1.